So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can install Google Meet app on your iPhone. So first of all, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now after this, tap on this profile icon on the top right corner. Now here make sure you're logged in to your Apple account. If not, then sign in before you continue. Once you log into your Apple account, tap on Done. Now after this, tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and here search for Google Meet. Tap on search. Now this is the Google Meet app. To download and install it on your iPhone, tap on this icon and this will start downloading the app. Wait for a few seconds. Now once the Google Meet app is downloaded, tap on open to launch it. And now this will launch Google Meet app. Once done, log into your account to continue using it. So this is how you can download and install Google Meet on your iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.